Hi friends!
Saint-Georges is a wonderful town, nestled in the Beauce region of Quebec. It is surrounded by rolling hills and fertile valleys that are perfect for agriculture and offer stunning views. The Chaudière River flows through the town, adding scenic riverbanks and fun activities on the water. The area is a mix of dense forests and expansive farmland, reflecting its rich agricultural roots. Saint-Georges has a rich history. The town was founded in 1856, growing alongside the lumber industry and agriculture. Over time, it became an important industrial center, with many manufacturing and commercial businesses. The town has continuously developed, with better infrastructure and urban expansion, making it an attractive place to live and work. Saint-Georges is also proud of its cultural heritage, celebrated through various festivals, events, and community activities. Today, Saint-Georges is a vibrant community that blends modern amenities with historical charm. It's a hub for commerce and industry in the Beauce region, offering a high quality of life with plenty of recreational, cultural, and educational opportunities. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Saint-Georges, Quebec. the Catholic Church of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, in Saint Georges, Quebec. The story of this church begins with a wooden chapel, built to serve the needs of the parish, founded in 1724. The chapel was replaced in 1752 by the first stone church, which was later inaugurated in 1820. The current church, designed by architect Victor Bourgeot, was expanded in 1864. It showcases a beautiful neo-Baroque style, with a rectangular nave, and a choir ending in a semicircular apse. The exterior is striking, with 2 bell towers framing a central section that features 3 arched portals. The church has been lovingly preserved and renovated over the years. In 1996, it was recognized as a heritage building, ensuring its history and beauty are protected for future generations. Catholic Church of St. George is one of the most beautiful places of worship in Quebec. The first chapel here was built in 1831. Then, in 1862, a stone church was erected and served until 1900. The current beautiful stone church began construction in 1900 and was completed in 1902. The granite stone used for this church was transported by rail from Deschambault to Beauceville. From there, it was moved by horse-drawn carriages, 1 or 2 stones at a time. To climb the steep slope at Beauceville, they had to use 4 horses in a row to pull the heavy load. The church has 4 stunning bell towers. 3 are at the front, and the 4th overlooks the sacristy. The central bell tower is an impressive 222 feet high, topped with a 10-foot cross and an 18-inch rooster. In front of the church, you'll see a magnificent equestrian statue of St. George slaying the dragon. It has been here since 1986, and is a copper-coated fiberglass replica. The original, made of wood, bronze, and gold leaf, was displayed in the sacristy from 1986 to 1995 and is now at the Maris Fitzbach Cultural Center.
watching.